let me take you back to Juan's coaching corner now to talk about something that I think affects everybody in the population, because we all have negative feelings sometimes. You know, we all feel a little bit depressed sometimes, a little frustrated sometimes, a little bit sad sometimes. I think that's a pretty common experience. So if you ever feel sad, frustrated, angry, depressed generally, if you were to pay attention to how your body is responding to that, you may notice that your physiology follows the energy that you have, and then also vice versa, your energy follows your physiology. So if you are feeling depressed, let's just say that, you might notice that you're like this, shoulders are down, head is down, your voice is low, you don't really have that energy. And that is kind of a result of the things that are going on in your mind, but that is also where you can make the big change. Because if instead, when you notice that you're like this, that you're all closed up and all down, if you were to pump your chest up and be, a different energy, like act at least like you have a different energy, then that energy will come to you. Try this simple exercise. This is the simplest thing you can do. Make yourself really, really kind of like this and say, oh, I am so happy. But do it in this kind of position. See how hard it is to actually like get your words to match with what your body's saying. Does that make sense? Now do the opposite thing. Go like this. Open up your chest, be full of energy and say, I am terribly depressed. See, it's really, really hard to do. It is. And your energy follows your physiology. So if you notice that you're having a bad time in your mind, you're having some negative thoughts, things are not going quite right, and you notice that you're like all slumped down, down in the dumps, then fix that. Start by fixing that, and then that will fix whatever is happening in your head. So think about that. Your energy follows your physiology, and that becomes a nice cycle. So obviously you can notice the other way around. If you're feeling great but your physiology is down, you can be like, what's going on with me? And then just fix your physiology and you will be a little bit more energetic. It's one of the reasons that I like to stand for the show. When I'm sitting down, I feel like I'm energy bound and I'm like stuck right here in this kind of position, and I feel like that gets maybe a little bit more static for you and more boring. So I like to stand and have a little bit of this kind of bounce to me. So I hope that helps you in some way in your life.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.